In 2013, Apple unexpectedly for many first introduced not one, but two smartphones at once, iPhone 5s and iPhone 5C. The latter did not receive a continuation, but in 2014 Apple, along with the iPhone 6, introduced an enlarged Plus version. In 2016, the iPhone SE debuted and immediately became one of the company's most popular devices. In 2018 and 2019, Cupertinians show 3 new products, and 2020 can be a turning point, along with the long-awaited iPhone SE 2. 4 more new models will appear on the market. They will predictably be the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. About the 4th smartphone is not reported. Perhaps this will be a special version with 5G support or the very bending iPhone, which insiders have long been talking about. There are 6 current smartphones available on the Apple website: iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, iPhone XR, iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max.